E get three things why I want to talk about this body shaming. It seems like nobody is really talking about it. Body shaming is very dangerous and very bad. And many of us, they do them knowing and unknowingly. So I get three things why I go talk and if it benefits you. I go play this video where they hear. This our sister, she really laments concerning body shame. It not be everybody where their shape get as it be, they experience body shaming. It get many level of body shaming. It they happen for home, in the family, inside your house, inside family, among relationships. It they also happen for social media. That social media now I go talk more put, because for about last 2 months we count and reach 5 people will commit suicide because people they body shame them. So the first thing when me want talk now, different types of body shaming and waiting the thing fit do in our lives or in our society. We get number one, teasing type in a friendly way, but you are indirectly making the person to know, say, see your head, see your mouth, see your color. You go just take idea they tease the person. Indirectly, that person feel they enjoy and say because when they play, but it's a body shaming. The second one now, when they make fun of that person, making fun of what is not supposed to be making fun about, except if the person take in hand give you the license to make fun of her or him. This particular one, they too happen to so many people who get disability, where you go just see them, you go just they do like one type where Trump make fun of somebody, he just they swing in arm somehow, and this thing no good at all. Then the third one na abusive one, the one where quarrel don't enter. According to this lady, she even talk say some people wrote her, they tell her all the negative comment which they get, something like say you go die tomorrow, you go soon die, and all those kind of stuff. That really got her. You will hear the thing by yourself from her. So when it is about teasing you and so on, you feel tell the person, if now you that they do that body shaming and they tease and you know like put a stop to that place. Number two, the fun. If you are not making fun of it, if you don't want, tell the person, say I don't like this kind of fun. Then the number, and maybe you should not be around those kind of people, or you develop your mind to be able to bear it. Number three, anything we don't enter quarrel, it's time to leave there. It's time to give it a red card. It's time to disappear from that scene. So the second thing why I want to talk about now, people where they even bring the body shaming for themselves. Yes, so many of us now we they bring that issue for ourselves. You go see person where get big boobs, you go no go cover them very well. How do you expect people to not talk back at you? I'm not trying to play down on how. I understand what they go through, but you have to also help some of the people will be born with bad mouth. When they see you are drawing their attention. And if you no can't respect yourself, you get one woman will get big nyash. Now so she know even the cause, she no care. Now so she go, they find wahala, they go everywhere. Now so people they talk to her. You know the way she can't go into depression. But now she they flaunt herself, they go anywhere, anyhow. And there are people will be born without home upbringing. They know their mouth no get key at all. Such people no go ever cease. No matter what you do, you feel no control people's mouth. You even feel dress well, people will still talk. Another thing where you feel do now among the kind of people where they move with, mind the kind of place where they go. Because even if you wrap yourself, say okay, you don't want to flaunt your body or yourself the wrong way, but you are hanging around the wrong people or in the wrong area. That is also my number 2 point. Mind how you take make people to the body shame you, because you don't have control over it, but at least you have the control of where you can go, the people you associate with, and how to wrap yourself or put yourself, compose yourself to avoid some people making jest negatively. Before I go let this video play, I want to talk about number 3. This number 3 I want to talk now social media own. We take social media like say it doesn't matter, play field kind of a thing, but it is dealing with some people. If you hear what she will say, the comments, negative comments is getting to people. You will not be say you will comment on people, make the person no read them. So when even if the person will get the message or the video no read them, other people where they pass waka like me, sometimes I find reading comment more fun than the video sometimes. So what are you portraying about yourself? It is horrific. It's not passing any good message. Sometimes people will still trace you the owner of that comment. Apart from people's reaction or the owner of the message, the reaction, you are his nemesis. It's also a karma kind of thing. It can draw karma against. So that is the sickness with social media is uncontrollable. But if everybody put mouth they talk about them, if it reduce. Yeah, it's true say many people they talk nonsense, but e no concern you. If you no fit comment good for person's comment, if you leave them, if you no fit comment thumbs up, just leave the person waka go. Because if you put yourself in the shoe of the owner of that message, the video, or that body where you dey tease, where you dey make fun of, where you dey body shame, how will you feel? Some people for social media, nothing where you go do we go reach them, we go satisfy them. Yes, we can never satisfy anybody, but let's develop the mind of let go your own. You can go on your own wall, make video about that person, or say one or two things you want to on your own wall for your social media or for your house. You feel do what, but to that person seeing, discouraging the person, may no con they come out, or may no con they do the video, or may no con they post in picture, or what do you think? It is a karma, and it can come after you or your generation. It is true say some people they talk nonsense. It's true say some people know they respect themselves, but now you go be the papa, or now you go say everything will make the person day good. Before we go to the comment section where you go see some of the good contribution and bad one, we also learn lesson from contribution. I mean the comments. So let's see what she said. That part where they talk about where people they comment horrific ones and
bustiness, right?
Have you been getting any comments from people like hate comments or good comments or I don't know?
Well, I get both. Everything comes with a blessing and a curse. So yeah, I get both.
So can you just tell us a little about your social media lifestyle?
Wow, it's been an amazing journey, but it has its own flaws. Like it has its disadvantages. I get a lot of hate speech. I get a lot of insults, and I get nice comments too.
Oh.
So yeah.
So I know you're not the one that creates yourself like this. God did, and
yeah, right.
We can't blame God for what he's doing.
I actually think that is what most people need to understand before they body shame people or insult people.
You get a lot of body shame from people.
Yes, sure. I do. Some will even say you will soon die.
Really?
Yes, I get a lot of comments on TikTok.
That's actually bad.
Yeah.
You will soon die. For what reason?
I don't know. And I'm always wondering that, okay, I did actually, if there was something I ate that made me look this busty, maybe that is when I would have accepted the body shaming and the insults. But it wasn't like I had something, or it wasn't like I was there when God was creating me to look this way, or I was the one that actually demanded to look this way. I didn't have power over it. But it's just like you having a very big hair and somebody is telling you go and cut it off. That's quite impossible.
Unbearable.
Have any hate comments got to you before?
You man. Of course.
Which one?
A whole lot.
Can you summarize?
Yeah, especially the one that said my enemy would soon die. Of course, I'm not going to die.
At all.
Because, amen. Thank you.
So it got to you.
Yeah.
So how do people, when you walk, have you gone to the open area before and a lot of people see?
Of course, as expected. When I get into a place there's always wow, there's always a you know.
Do you get a lot of guys come after you?
Now, in this point, I didn't add it on my what I said previously. Where body language, you didn't say anything, but your body language is telling it all. You did not say anything, no, but your body language is not helpful. This is, I'm gonna cut here, I'm gonna stop here, but all I'm trying to say in this video is make we help others. Some people now then cause waiting, bring shapeless, like all these our people now where they go put nyash, where they go put lips. You can't develop somehow. But me, I will not body shame you. I will just say, now wow, now the thing where you bring for yourself. Those people already live with regrets, the regret of their action. But when we say, not the person create himself, you go see him face, or maybe say the person get accident, or get one or two issue, like get one woman, born. Now so in fellow women, in fact, most of the body shaming, now women they body shame their fellow women the more. And it is very surprised to me the first time I was actually hearing one narration from one lady like that. She was just saying it. Now women, the most of the hateful comments when they get now from their fellow women, and it's not good. Make we start to dey put mouth for this, but you too, make you see in 3 ways you can control it. The people you associate with, the place you go, your things, the area, that atmosphere. If it's not conducive for you, that place is not for you. Secondly, how you can package yourself. If you are busty like this our sister, we get rapper wey fit cover you very well, or put you in a decent way or manner that can be presentable, even if you dey work for bank. There are a lot of busty people where they work for radio, where they work for bank, and there are suits where they fit them, where they size them. You no go expect person wey no get home bringing to see you, show everything like that. May no come talk. And when person wey they no train, even person wey they train self, sometimes the person just have some bad thing to say in their mind. Then body language will say come in, that kind of a thing. Curious of what he or she never see before, or that is not real, because social media or nowadays eyes they long for waiting day strange, waiting no day rampant, what he or she has not been seeing regularly. What they are not seeing regularly is not everywhere. If you see people where these days, social media no dey this thing for people wey no sabi talk. Now people wey no sabi talk, now social media they go viral. Person wey dey in shape dey somehow, maybe busty or booty or I don't know the names. Now then they go viral because people always want to click what they don't understand. Quickly make we see waiting some people comment. Some are saying what I really like somehow. This one say, baby, if nobody talk about you, then you are nobody. Exactly. But you must not talk about people in a hateful way. People must talk about you. You must develop mind and heart, especially if you want to do social media thing. Like I dey get hate comments. I dey get some people say I no be better Igbo. Some people say I'm not a Biafran or whatsoever. But it no matter. You must, they reach anywhere. You must have that double and large heart to contain evil or hate speech. It won't go anywhere. So you must know. Some are saying, I love that father for encouraging her. Her father just died according to her confession, but she said that her father used to encourage her. I have them big too. We are wonderfully made. So you see, her confession is also encouraging this our beloved sister here. So there are, see as she just they make me smile. Okay. She's wonderfully made. So there are comments that I'm like looking for. God bless your confidence. You see, that is one thing that I've found about this lady, is that she has developed her confidence. She no even mind, you know. You are wonderfully made by God and good. So this kind of courage, but the reality is she's in a big size and she know. So nobody will come the rubber for her. Okay, why we will say she will soon die? All this one is no more teasing, it's no more funny, it's no more making fun of the person. This one is already abuse. It's like violent scene, scenario, whereby you can't wish the person dead. How will you be wishing someone death? That is horrific. Sometimes another man's meat is another man's poison. Someone is writing here, I love her. If she can be my wife. You can imagine, you know. True guy. Huh? Talk true guy. Men. Anumpama. She is gorgeous, endowed. Biko, what's her handle? I'll leave you here, but my main message today is just to pass these 3 points that I've made. Number 1 is the 3 stages of body shaming. Whatever someone has no control over shouldn't be dealt with in a very roughly manner. Because if you tease the person, whether by joke or as whatsoever, make sure the person is comfortable with it. Another one is making fun of someone. That one is no more teasing. If you are making fun of someone, it's body shaming. Then abusing someone when he or she did not do anything to you, it's a body shaming. It's another level of body shaming. Why will you like the kind comment which you get? Then my second point is mind the place you go, mind the people you go with, and mind how you package yourself. The last but not the least is social media. Mind how you what you comment. Comment what you want others to comment for you. You may say, okay, I'm not doing content, but one day you go do. One day your children go do. One day now wait till you sow, now you go reap. Obvious. May God bless all of us. See you next time. Make you like my video, they share and comment. Bye.